Hi guys, welcome. This is an update video. I've made two minor changes, but they're important enough to make a video about. So we have different ways of working on an operating system in a kind of sandbox environment. VMware is there is boxes, there is Oracle VirtualBox, there is QEMU, so different possibilities. And people often is a big word, but in the academic world they often use VMware. I just installed ArcoLinux in VMware and we're just booting up, and in the meantime I can also use the opportunity to show you the updates that are coming in. People are asking some updates, questions. Sometimes ArcoLinux says I'm gonna change this to that, and that's a name change, and basically you just have to say yes, right? So that's the first problem. VMware guys, and sometimes I see YouTubers making a video like this and I think, oh my god, right? The software is there, Open VM Tools is there. So if we do Control T and we first get the databases in to be sure that Pacman knows where is everything, right? That server, that package, and so on. Sudo pacman -remove. It's called Open VM Tools, something you need to remember if you want to work with VMware. So it's there, but it's not activated by default. As we know, we've seen in the past, we get this red line, an error line, and people panic because of the red text. So we said, okay, then we make an alias for it, and the alias is start VMware. That's the alias. Now, when you're on the virtual machine, I'm having here an Azerty, and everything works now just fine. I'm just typing Azerty, just okay. But when I'm not having my Azerty keys, and the QWERTY keys is all a bother of finding these letters. So start VMware has become SV. Super simple. SV works for me in QWERTY or Azerty. Now the thing is, we need to get the databases, the updates in, but you see it's already in. At this point in time I've already done the update. So if we update our system, I'm afraid everything is already up to date. I can't show you the name error because of the way ArcoLinux is built. Now that's one thing I wanted to show. Now you say, Eric, nothing happened, it's still small. Yeah, it's all about knowledge, right? So go back up here, tell him that there is more real estate around, and that's it. Just go back up there and go for the full screen button. That's this button, exit full screen mode, and then he realizes, oh, there is more. So this is 1920 and 1080. Welcome to ArcoLinux. Now that's one thing that I've changed. The other thing is all about mirrors. And mirrors, we have many ways of setting our mirrors, but from time to time I use this one, ArcoLinux, and then these are the options. Osbeck as mirror. It's a little script that says go change the servers where the packages are coming from. If I type update, it is talking to someone, to a repo from us. That's clear, that's from us, but this is pure Arch, and this has let's say 1,000 servers around the globe, but you need to find the one that's not down, the one that's complete, the one that's fast, and so on. So there are tools for that, and we have also experience. Human experience knows that Osbeck is a good server for me. It's located in Sweden, and even the guys in the United Kingdom and the guys in Japan get that one as the best one. So there is a reason why we've added this particular ArcoLinux Osbeck as mirror. Now another one that you need to know is nmirrorlist. It's all kind of aliases, so guys, read your alias. Those are all the aliases. Try them out one by one. So we have here osbeck and rackspace as the first one. Cool, right? But at some point in time you do mirror or mirror S or mirror D or mirror X. They're all variants. Or you do RAM right? RAM, let's make him, let's do a RAM, or Ctrl-Alt-W, and you click on the big button, update ArcoLinux mirrors. That's the same thing as here, but it's another application, right? So there are many ways, and it's the most important thing, right? How to get the software in, how to get the packages in. So there are times that I want to override this, that I want to switch. At this point in time, the first line is mirror osbeck. So again, he wins. So it's confirmed. It's for me and for many people the best server out there. Now this morning I got something strange. There was a server, and the first line, so line 186, was a French server, and it was breaking down, did no response, milliseconds, something like that. And the idea I had immediately was a go to, and now we are actually at the change. If we type this, we used to have one line, but now we have 4 lines. So I've changed that to these 4 lines, osbeck, and as backup rackspace, because osbeck is not always the best, right? Sometimes RAM tells me osbeck is line number 3 or something, because there is congestion or is down or whatever that's happening to the machine. And now I have a backup. So that's all I've done, but it's important since it's all about packages all the time, getting the new stuff in, getting the Linux kerneling together with the NVIDIA, right? Both of them should come in, stuff like that. So those are the changes I've made, and enjoy ArcoLinux, enjoy the learning. Cheers.